Hi, Kevin here. Nice to see you again. Well, today we're going to make Fruity Pebbles Bars. The recipe comes from a Mr. Fred Flintstone of Bedrock, New York. I think Bedrock is one of those little quarry towns upstate. Anyway, I've made the Fruity Pebbles Bars in the past and they are absolutely delicious. Sweet and gooey and super colorful. Since this is Easter week, I thought maybe you'd like to make Fruity Pebbles Bars as an Easter treat. So the ingredients are really simple. What you'll need is 4 tablespoons of butter, preferably salted butter, but unsalted will work. You'll also need a 10-ounce bag of mini marshmallows. We're going to melt the marshmallows, and the mini ones melt very quickly and very smoothly. You will also need 6 cups of Fruity Pebbles cereal. And what you want to do is put the butter in a big bowl, and then I'm going to melt this in the microwave. So hang on. And while the butter is melting, remove 2 cups of the mini marshmallows and just put them in a bowl. We're going to be adding these later. Also measure out the 6 cups of this colorful Fruity Pebbles cereal. And spray an 8 by 8 inch baking dish with vegetable spray. Done. Alright, here's the butter. That only took 60 seconds to melt in the microwave. Then I'm going to add the bag of marshmallows minus the 2 cups that we removed and reserved. And then I'm going to melt these in the microwave. This will take 60 to 90 seconds. And by the way, melting these in the microwave is so much better than melting them on the stove top because there's no chance that they will burn. Okay, I'll be right back. Alright, here are the marshmallows after 90 seconds in the microwave. And then you just stir with a spatula. And I did spray my spatula with this vegetable spray. Although I don't think you really have to do that. Yeah, making this in the microwave is much better than on the stove top. The stove top, the marshmallows can burn and you can make a really big mess because the marshmallows can stick to the pan. And obviously this is very similar to making Rice Krispies treats. It's just Fruity Pebbles bars are much, much nicer than Rice Krispies treats, if you can believe that. Okay, so I'm just stirring this to make sure all the marshmallows are melted, and yes they are. So now I'm going to add the 6 cups, sorry, that sound you hear, hi Tiger, is my cat Tiger crying. I'm going to give her a treat in just a little bit. So in go the 6 cups of Rice Krispies, not Rice Krispies, Fruity Pebbles! Look at how pretty they are. So these always remind me of Easter. Yes, Tiger, I will be right with you. Tiger knows when I'm recording. She likes to be, well, she likes to vocalize while I'm filming. We're just folding the cereal into the melted marshmallows. And then once the little bits of cereal are all coated, as they are right now, then go ahead and add the reserved marshmallows, mini marshmallows. And we're going to fold these in. In the comments below, let me know if you watched the Flintstones when you were a kid. I certainly did. Oh, I loved it. I was very invested in those characters. Fred and Wilma, and who were their friends? Oh, Barney and Betty. course, Fred and Wilma had a daughter named Pebbles, the namesake for this cereal. And let's see, we are looking good here. So now I'm going to put all of this in the 8x8 pan, which again I sprayed with vegetable spray. I'm going to try to do this without spilling anything. I like making these in the small pan as opposed to a 9x13 casserole dish because the treats are tall rather than shallow. Oh, look at this. Very pretty. I should also mention that Fruity Pebbles is gluten-free. So if that dietary aspect is important to you, well, here's yet another gluten-free treat that you can add to your repertoire of gluten-free treats. Just scraping my spatula with a knife. Okay, now, where's my vegetable spray? I'm going to spray my knuckles, and then you want to gently pat this mixture down into the pan. Try to even it out as best you can. Oh, this is absolutely gorgeous. Have a look. And would you believe these bars are done? All I have to do is let them cool for at least 1 hour so that the melted marshmallows set up, and then we can cut into it and have a taste. All right, my Fruity Pebbles bars have cooled for about an hour, and have a look. Aren't these beautiful? And of course, we need to have a taste. Oh man, these are lovely and luxurious. They're also soft and crispy at the same time. They're very sweet, of course, so you may not want to eat the whole pan, as I might do, but I hope you'll give these a try someday. I really like how the marshmallows turned out. The reserved marshmallows that were added later, these are beyond delicious. Do give them a try, and I will post the list of ingredients in the description box below. Please let me know if you might try them someday. And I hope you didn't mind my little funny story about Fred Flintstone from the town of Bedrock. Okay, I will see you very soon with another recipe. Bye for now. Take good care of yourselves, and please make these so good. Bye-bye.